Hey CPOs and procurement leadership. Here are 2 ways business intelligence helps with contrast profitability and procurement management productivity. Procurement managers will be positioned to negotiate the best contracts to realize better cost, terms, and profitability. For instance, imagine having automatic alerts and visibility on contracts that are approaching expiration. This can position you to build the best negotiated contracts. Can you envision all the money you can add to the company's bottom line? Now, secondly, worker productivity. With visibility into metrics like average cycle times to complete SOWs or MSAs, procurement managers can be held accountable to improve their productivity in producing higher quality contracts. Imagine not having to schedule a meeting or send an email to simply track whether your team is hitting cycle time targets to complete MSAs or SOWs. Imagine the time saved and worker productivity. In summary, our clients can achieve better bottom lines through better negotiated contracts and can realize higher employee productivity. Our techniques can be executed within a few weeks and be fully automated while using software you already have and already approved by your IT team. If you're ready to be the procurement leader we know you are, schedule a meeting and let our journey begin.